All right, we are here with Cody Foster, standing right across from the Cedar Heights project, which you were a big part of, and now you're running this one, Cody. Give us kind of the scope of this project.
Yeah, absolutely. We just finished a 45-unit retirement community, and they are attached to an existing building that we're going to do a facade reno on. We're updating some brick areas, going to a stone look, and we're going to do a new roof on here. We have an old slate roof, and we're going to go to shingles and some metal roof in some areas as well.
When I was up here a few days ago, and I can see you're making quick progress. So what's been done already, and what are the next few milestones to look forward to?
Absolutely, we're trying to get ahead of winter here. The slate roof has already been demoed in most areas. We're about 80% on getting new shingles there. We're looking to get a porch addition started here, and we're going to follow through with the framers there.
Awesome. Well, Cody, got this one under control. Keep up the good work. We'll check in next time, all right?